The top 3 correlated responses around my organisation setting clear expectations during change include setting clear expectations with new job tasks, setting clear expectations when there is conflict between roles and others, and the last one being around consulting with planned workplace changes. So, for many people, you might think, yeah, that's obvious, but as you start thinking around what role the supervisors play within your organisation or senior leaders play in the organisation, how do we effectively coach and build really strong leadership capability so they are managing change well, setting clear expectations, particularly with change?